Hey guys, Dr. David Stoker in Los Angeles with a great case today. We have a beautiful 52-year-old mom who is here for facial rejuvenation. Let's check it out. We see that she's got a little bit of laxity in her neck, especially if she puts her chin down a little bit. And we're going to start working on that with the laser. Perhaps a little bit of upper eyelid surgery as well, and maybe a little fat removal on this side. She's got this extra fold of skin here, which so many people do. We're going to remove that. It's not a large amount of extra skin, but it will make a significant difference. We're also going to use fractional laser around here in little crinkles. The laser is going to be super helpful for smoothing those out. And we see these little vertical lines here. Those are going to be improved with the laser, but also very dramatically. We're going to lift and remove the excess skin, and we're going to fine-tune the rest with a fractional carbon dioxide laser. It's also going to make a huge difference down here with this neck skin to lift and smooth. 2-month post-op result I'm very excited about. I'd love to share with you. Let's check it out. This gorgeous beauty in her early 50s is 2 months post-op from upper eyelid surgery, face and neck lift, and fractional carbon dioxide laser of her face, neck, and chest. I knew this was going to be a good one, but it turned out even better than I had hoped. This is a traceless facelift. You can't even see her incisions at this point, 2 months out. So she's ahead of schedule, looking really beautiful there.
October 20th, I had a full facelift and CO2 laser and upper eye blepharoplasty. I hope to achieve just an improvement in the tightening of the lower face area, the jowls from a profile point of view, which was achieved. It looks very nice, and it went very well. Had a lot of friends ask me who performed my surgery, and I told them all about Dr. Stoker. So, really great feedback. Just, your skin looks amazing. You look so good. 10 years younger. So the compliments are very nice to hear.